Hello children, once again welcome to our science class, 7th class. Yesterday what did we do? We tried to test the presence of starch in 4 test tubes. What are they? First one is eggs. We tried to test eggs, we tried to test milk, we tried to test cheese, I suppose, and we tried to test rice. Now for all these things, test for starch. For test for starch, what is the thing that we require? We require iodine. Now let us, I'll write it down here so that it will be easy for you. Test for carbohydrates. I am writing carbs. What do we need? You need iodine. Then test for fats. What do you need? I am going to tell you now. Again the same procedure, let us see. Test for fats. Again take 4 test tubes. Already rice we established it having starch. Who knows, maybe rice is having the other 3 also. So let us not take chances. Let us test them all. Here what am I using? Egg. Here I am using few drops of milk. Here I am using cheese. And here I am using rice. Now in these things, now first thing, iodine, when I added iodine, this turned bluish black. Bluish black, it shows the presence of starch. That means rice is having carbohydrates, that we understood. Now we have to test for fats. Here for this we don't need test tube. What we need is a paper. Take a paper. On that what we do is, each egg, just a drop of egg you take and rub over that. Take another paper. Now let us see. Take 4 pieces of paper. Okay. Now rub egg over that. Rub a drop of milk over this. Rub cheese over that, rub rice over that. Now in all these things, which will give a transparent sheen to the paper, whichever gives a transparent sheen, so that when you uphold the paper towards the light, you can see through it. That means that is tested for the presence of starch. Now imagine you apply egg. Definitely there will be a change. Your finger will be smelling bad, the paper will be smelling bad, and the paper becomes sodden. You can't even lift it because by the time it's getting torn. Exactly like that, put a drop of milk on that, then it absorbs, the water is absorbed, and the paper you can't see anything because it is already mushy. The paper became wet and mushy. Next, you rub cheese on a paper and then lift it up. You see the oil sheen, which helps you to see through it. So if it becomes transparent, if the paper becomes transparent, it shows the presence of starch. So what showed the presence of fats? Cheese showed the presence of fats. So that is one. Next, let us see test for proteins. Next thing is test for proteins. Test for proteins. And here also let me write down test for proteins. Remember children, I am giving you a gist of it here. Now what are left? Rice is over, cheese is over. Maybe they have proteins also in that. We need to check, no? So for proteins, test for proteins, here what we need is 2% of copper sulfate solution, Cu2SO4, and 10% of sodium 2% of copper sulfate solution and 10% of sodium hydroxide. 10% of sodium hydroxide solution. So how do you first prepare? Directly you don't get 2% of copper sulfate and 10% of sodium hydroxide. What you have to do is, you have to take 2 grams of Cu2SO4, CuSO4 or Cu2SO4, copper sulfate, and plus add in 100 ml of water. Then you get 2% copper sulfate solution. Okay, and then for 10% of sodium hydroxide, 10 grams of sodium NaOH twice plus 100 ml of water, and then what do you get? 10% sodium hydroxide solution. Now this, what you have to do is, in this 1 drop of copper sulfate, 1 drop of sodium hydroxide, 1 drop of copper sulfate, 1 drop of sodium hydroxide, 1 drop of copper sulfate, 1 drop of sodium hydroxide, 1 drop of copper sulfate and 1 drop of sodium hydroxide. And what do you get? If you get, let us see, if this turns purple color, if it turns purple color, then it shows the presence of proteins. So where can you see the purple colored that difference? Here you can see, and here you can see. So milk has proteins and egg has proteins, while cheese and rice don't show that. So we understand that milk and egg have proteins. So with this we understand the test for carbohydrate, test for fats and test for proteins. Test for carbohydrates need iodine, it turns bluish black. Test for fats need paper and it turns transparent. Test for proteins need 2% of copper sulfate, 10% of sodium hydroxide, and it turns purple color. This is it, children. Next session we will learn a little more. Thank you.